Seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight crew Captain Mabalo and First Officer Alvaro, together with your cabin crew Ella, Erica, and Chloe, this is McCoy. We thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. We also ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining trash, and please bring these with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose these in the bins that will be provided near the exits. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no trash is left inside the aircraft. For guests with infants, your infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket, and be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. And for passengers needing special assistance, such as wheelchair, you are advised to recline last using the forward door for proper ground endorsement. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintay matanggal ang ilaw si fasten seatbelt sa ngayon bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong kagamitan. Nais rin namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng paligiran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. Muli rin po namin pinaalalahanan ang lahat ng panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais ninyong itapon sa loob ng eroplano. Mangyari po lamang na dalhin ang mga ito sa inyong pagbaba.
Cabin crew disarm doors for arrival and cross-check.
Your cabin crew will stand up momentarily to do a safety-related procedure. Please remain seated. Muli, para sa mga panauhing nangangailangan ng karagdagang tulong kagaya ng wheelchair, kayo po ang huling bababa ng eroplano gamit ang unahang pituan lamang. Thank you for waiting. It is now safe for you to descend. Maaari na po tumayo.